Manufacturing is so cool.
What even is so cool about manufacturing?
Where are we even going?
Hendrick Manufacturing.
What question should we ask them and where should we go?
I know, let's ask the Buck.
Whenever we have a question no one can answer, we ask the Buck.
Buck, we're going to Hendrick Manufacturing and we need help.
The Buck has an answer. Look, a sign!
The company's been around over 140 years. It started with mining industry and metal perforating, and it's expanded exponentially from there. Well, I've got 5 years of history with the company. My job primarily is taking Hendrick to the next level, looking at new technology, putting in new policies and procedures to take Hendrick from its past to its future. As I said, architectural is the biggest growing sector. The architectural business is a lot of building facades. The Cleveland Browns football team, we did the outside of their stadium in metal perforation. We also can take images and we can put them into a piece of computer software and then make them out of metal. So we can do like landscapes on the sides of buildings. There's 2 other factories. Hendrick was founded here in Carbondale in another building just up the road. And we purchased this building here. We have a facility in Chicago, and then we have a screen division in Kentucky.
What I really like is knowing the things that we make here. There's a lot of team effort of designing them, building them, and then seeing that product throughout the country in different applications.
A little over 33 years. I'm the custom fabrication supervisor here. Ended up getting my welding certification. I was a certified welder and I worked back in the fabrication department. Well, I didn't know anything about it when I came here. I was looking for a job. They were hiring and started working here. I like everybody I work with. It's a family-owned company. The owners take care of the employees here. And it's just a pleasure to come to work every day.
Hendrick Manufacturing!